Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video channel. Really quick video on the Medit500 machine and what the capability of it doing for your office. This is the brush that I received from the lab in a few days after prep the tube number 18 and number 20, so number 19 missing. Now the advantage of the Medit machine is that it can make you a brush, a 3-unit brush. The disadvantage is sometimes you make sure that you tell the lab to artificially add the porcelain on the Pontic, because you can see a little gap there. This is where the tissue pressure again the Pontic, and it's important to have a good tissue pressure on this Pontic. And when you make the Medit500, when you use the Medit500 or 700 to do the brush, make sure you communicate with the lab on the note. Otherwise, the tendency they just print out from the milling machine, and they tend to miss out that space, and you want that space to be minimized. Because that's where food get trapped and everything. And the good part is if you miss the distal skin of the adjacent tube, they trying to make a mark for you to see that the red spot. That means that they add extra porcelain on this tube to make sure that when you try and if it's too tight, you can release that meso part a little bit. So anyway, Medit500 and Medit700 pretty cool and pretty good. As you can see, the prep and everything, the machine do a great job in scanning. But like I said, the Pontic is something that you would have to discuss with the lab. Sometimes you tell the lab to add extra porcelain underneath this. That would be the best thing to do, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. This is Medit500 or 700 3D scanner. Feedback. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.